Hello YouTube, this is Tom from Tom's Garage, and now I'm going to show you how to clean your rims fast and easy so it will shine like a brand new one. I have this rim from my car, and as you can see it is really dirty and has got many brake dust, which is a hard one to get off, but with this method it will be super easy for you too. What I'm using is a cold degreaser, which is for kitchen purposes, but this thing can clean your rims in a few minutes without any hard work, and that's what are we looking for, right? What you have to do is just spray the rim on the dirty parts and let it work for 5 minutes. After a few minutes, you can wipe off the dirt with a rag, and for safety reasons I recommend you to wear gloves and safety goggles and do this outside so you will not breathe the chemicals in. As you can see, without any hard work, I can easily wipe off the dirt. Now you can do this on the other parts of the rim. After you finished, just rinse it with water and you are ready to go. And look at that, it is clean like a new one. So this is how it was. And after our cleaning process. If the video was helpful for you, please help my channel with a subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you.